Alright, $40 learning experience. I'm mounting a Garmin Zumo Xt in my snowmobile. It's a 2016 Renegade. It's the XS chassis. So I got the glove box extension installed and everything, and trying to figure out the glove box deal. With this being, that wire being there, you guys can already see my mistake if you know where I'm going with this. That wire would be in the way. So every time I wanted to take the gauge cluster and the top shroud off, I'd have this wire in the way. Well, I thought, looking at it, there's two wires, two leads, two wires separately. I'll be able to clip the wire, split the wires, and put a plug in line. But you can't do that. The wire is actually kind of like a coax deal. This, I think it's the ground, wraps around the hot wire. So this isn't housed, this piece. So you can't put a plug in it without having exposed wires one way or another. Anyways, so yeah, that's $40 for that wiring harness. This is, my frame of mind, my thought was, well, you got the two wires, your hot and your ground. It should be the same up here, which, I mean, technically it is. It's just built a little bit different to where you can't put a plug in. Putting a plug on this side would be easy. You just take your two pins. What did I do with my two pins? There. Take your two pins, solder them in to the wire, put them into the plug, and you're good to go, right? Well, you can't do it on the low voltage side of it. You got to do it on the high voltage, the 12 volt side, not high voltage. But so that's what I'm going to do next. When I get my new wiring harness, I'm just going to wire my plug in on that side, and then just have a little bit extra sitting underneath the toolbox, or the glove box. So hope that helps. I looked around to try and find, when I was looking at buying the Zumo Xt, because I like the idea of the bigger screen. I looked around to see what the mounts would look like, in there. But so that's what you get. It fits perfect. It clicks in there perfect. If anybody wants a picture or another video of it, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to take another video of it just to show you what it looks like. So anyways, maybe I'm the only boneheaded that would try to do something like that, but if not, maybe I help somebody. Alright, good luck.